Good morning from laststandbrand.com. Well, it's the 21st of April. The historic last frost date in this county is the 18th. We've had 3 frosts in the last 4 days. Today's video is about the truth of vegetables and frost. Some vegetables, such as this imperial kale, can take a mild frost. These have had 3 in the last 5 days. They've been picked, so they don't look too succulent. That's because all the growth during those 3 frost days is sitting in those baskets. Perfect quality. The successful gardening tip is to select the right cultivars, the right varieties of vegetables that can sustain a mild frost. We have Danvers carrots, kohlrabi, garlic, kale, the small, tiny stuff, Swiss chard, peas, spinach, onions, and radishes. All plants that can take a light frost. The frost in the last 3 days have not been light. They've been heavy frosts. But you see, there's 3 bushels of kale that was picked this morning after these plants went through 3 days of frost. In fact, you'll find that the flavor of some of the cabbage actually is enhanced with the frost. So that's the tip from Last Stand Brand. Make sure you know your varieties if you plan to plant in the early season. Thank you from laststandbrand.com.